So at this point, what we want to do is just to introduce some objects in our drawing so that we can go to documentation. And for now, let me introduce a door. I want an empty door, empty door. Yes. So this I want it to be 900. And of course later on I'll come to deal with these guys, which in your drawing I'm sure you don't have them now, so maybe I don't think if you have these guys, so just delete them. And so this is for the purpose of documentation. That's why we are introducing some of these objects. I want the WC. But yeah, so I wanted us to do how do we call it? If we can be able to do interior design for maybe 2 rooms. So you can request, if you have, like, in the comment section below, you can tell me which rooms can you or are you interested in, so that we can be able to do the interior design of those rooms. Yeah, let me know in the comment section which rooms are you interested in the interior design, so that we'll be able to do those.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
So basically all of this that we have done is for the purpose of documentation, because we want to do documentation. But I request you to come up, if you can suggest for me in the suggestion box, the rooms, 2 rooms. I wanted us to do 2 rooms in the interior design for 2 rooms. So you can request in the comment section which rooms are you interested in, so that we'll be able to do the interior design for those 2 rooms. And yeah, so please let me know. If you have any suggestions, like in pictures or anything, you can send it to me on Instagram at Structon Studios. Yeah, see you in the next one.